Davida Getaway is the gateway to the Aberdare mountain ranges. It lies strategically between the rugged back of the main ranges and the solid thrust of the breakaway Kipipiri mountain. Mountain hiking is amongst the unique offerings from Davida Getaway. Get ready for trails, views, and pure excitement. The trails and hikes are of varying difficulty to suit the beginner or the pro. Each trail leads you deeper into the beauty of Nyandarua County. Feel the rush. Challenge yourself and experience life like never before. From Davida Getaway, we don't just offer a hike, we offer a thrill. Every step brings you closer to the unforgettable. From lush, thick, natural forests, rocky terrain, marshland, moorland, and water sources. Treat your eyes to the rare sights, your hands to the gentle feel of the spectacular flora only to be found on the slopes of the mighty Aberdares. The 7 ponds on top of the rugged ranges is a source of River Malewa. This is the river that feeds Lake Naivasha, and from here you get to have a panoramic view of the Rift Valley. The adrenaline rush is intoxicating. Take a break to soak in the beauty of nature. Go beyond hiking to making memories. At Davida Getaway, we are all about connection. Ready for your next adventure? See you soon at Davida Getaway. Your adventure starts here.